freedom on my new XTool M2. This is a game changer for me. And I am an OG crafter. I love using my kiln, using my sewing machine. I dabble with my Cricut. I use an electronic die cut for paper cutting. And that's about the extent of it. I was nervous. XTool reached out to me about doing some videos with them, and I took it as a sign from the universe for me to level up my skills and use this really cool machine that does so many things. Laser cutting, it does engraving, it even does printing. I see so much potential to bring in all kinds of new revenue for my Crafty Chica business. It's here, the XTool M2, and let's open it up together. And my goal with this is to show you, if you're one of those crafters where you're afraid to use a type of machinery, I'm going to break it down for you. We're going to do this together. So first thing, I'm going to open this up. I'm impressed at this packaging.
Move the top.
I'm going to open the machine. We have, the inkjet printer, like the laser, the ink cartridge. There's some little tools here, power cord. This is the rotary attachment, so we can do different cups and mugs and things. The little magnetic clip. Another little attachment here. Here's the instructions. Sample goodies. So we're going to set this up on the table because I want to show you what I'm really excited about. It is a desktop smoke purifier. If you have ever worked with laser cutting machines before, you know that you have to have that exhaust pipe that goes out the window. This is an alternative to that. You can actually have this run in your studio without having to open the windows. The XTool kit comes with this exhaust tube that stretches out really long. You attach it to the back of the machine and feed it out through an open window. An alternative is an upgrade. This is the XTool desktop air purifier. It is so convenient. Attach the tube from the machine to the air purifier. You don't have to open any window. You just change a filter that's in there. This is a game-changing feature for me. This on one end here, we're going to slide that in. So now we need to lubricate all of the gears. So look for this little tube. You're going to unscrew it, poke a little hole at the top, screw this on like this, pull this down, and put it right here, like that. And we're also going to do the same on the back. Let's see where it is. Now slide it up and down 3 times. We have the laser and we have this little attachment. Set the magnetic laser attachment in place and then use the little cord to plug it in on both sides. Now we have to connect this to our laptop, to our computer, and we're going to plug in the adapter from here to the laptop. It does come with a cord to use. We just downloaded XTool Studio. There's a QR code on your package that you can use to open it, and we're downloading it and going through all of the steps to connect it to our laptop. Yay, it's all set up, but we cannot make anything yet until we watch these 2 safety videos with very important and helpful information about how to take care and use our machine. It's all set up. It's connected to the laptop. Now we're going to make our first project. Here is a piece of wood. I'm going to set this here, and you can look at the computer here. Let's go with the coaster. This little piece here is a camera, and that's how we can see where to center our items here. So these little clips, pull it up like this, put your piece of wood in here, and close it. And then we're going to close the lid. Lasering on a flat surface, select a material. It's our wood. Base wood, apply. And then click refresh. Right there, just a little bit lower. Click here before processing. So this is going to check everything, make sure it's all good.
and it's going to take 11 minutes to cut this. So we're going to hit start. So we turn that on, and then we turn this on, and there it goes. And we want to stand here for this whole thing. We don't want to leave this alone. It's happening. Here it is. It's working. Not gonna lie, you need to have a lot of patience with this, especially if this is your first time using a machine like this. It's a lot to set up, but it's doable and it's easy. Put on a cool playlist and think about all the cool things that you're going to make. As this is going on, you're going to smell it burning because it's burning through the wood. You're going to see some smoke coming out from under the wood, which is laser, it's burning, but it's all good.
I made my first project. Yay! Okay, I'm going in for another one. I did these little hummingbirds that I found, but these are really going to be tiny, so I don't know if this is going to work. Let's try it out. It says it's going to take about 11 minutes to do this. Look at that. It's doing it. Wow. These are so delicate. Here we go. 10 seconds left. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Leave your questions about the XTool M2 in the comments and I will answer them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas.